सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।
The body of 5-year-old Ishu being fished out by a crane. The crane of death that is called to every death trap in Delhi NCR. Ishu, who fell into this open drain in Ghaziabad.
नोएडा के चिपियाना गांव के एक तालाब से 5 साल के बच्चे का शव बरामद किया है। स्थानीय लोग और परिवार के बीच काफी ज्यादा आक्रोश है। उनका ये कहना है कि बच्चा खेलने के लिए घर से निकला था, लेकिन अचानक से तालाब में गिर जाता है और 5 से 6 दिन बाद बच्चे का शव तालाब से बाहर निकाला जाता है। तस्वीर आप देख सकते हैं, ये चिपियाना गांव के बीचे बीच एक बड़ा सा आपको तस्वीरों में तालाब नजर आ रहा है। यहीं से कल शाम के समय पुलिस ने क्रेन की मदद से बच्चे का शव यहाँ से बरामद किया है। बच्चे की पहचान 5 वर्षीय इशू के रूप में हुई है। पुलिस के मुताबिक 17 और 18 के आसपास जो है वो यहीं से बच्चा गायब हुआ था, जिसके बाद पुलिस ने इस पूरे मामले में गुमशुदगी की रिपोर्ट दर्ज की थी और बच्चे की तलाश की जा रही थी। लेकिन
The child's body was pulled out from the pond about 48 hours after he went missing.
हमें 7 दिन बाद पता चला है। तालाब में डूबा हुआ किसी ने देख लिया, तब मुझे पता चली है। पुलिस वालों ने फोन किया, तब मैं देखने गए।
हमने ये बिटिया ईसु कहाँ है कि मम्मी मेरे पास ईसु नहीं आओ, इतनी बात बस हमें जानता और हमने कुछ नहीं जानता।
Death traps are eating up people in Delhi NCR. Last month, Yuvraj Mehta, a techie from Noida, died after his car fell into a waterlogged construction site. Earlier this month, a 25-year-old Kamal Dhayani was killed after falling into a 20 feet deep open pit in Delhi's Janakpuri area. The pit was dug by the state government. This month, a 3-year-old boy drowned in an open drain in Greater Noida. He died despite a letter that warned the state government. Who is accountable for these deaths?
Tell me what is going on, Raman? Is the government not able to handle it? Are there too many ditches? Too much of an urban mess? You are talking about Viksit Bharat. Huh? You are talking about... Then the body of this boy comes out from a ditch. There is no reaction, no tweet from any neta. Yogita, was there any tweet from any neta? No.
Do you think they will ever tweet on serious matters like this?
They will not tweet.
All the
they
time
will
to
not tweet
about
this.
Irrelevant stuff and illogical stuff, but they will never tweet because it's accountability. Why would they take accountability? They don't want to work. They just want to be netas. They want to be just doing the superficial jobs of inaugurations, going to somebody's marriages, going to receptions, having dinners. This is the real work. Who will do the real work? You and I will do the real work, but we choose them. We pay our taxes to them, but they are not doing their job. So what are we supposed to do? At least we raise our voice. You'll see tweets from all the social workers and people who are, concerned about the issue. People like you who are making it a prime time.
Yeah.
But what about them? Do they really care about it?
No difference.
Nobody cares about it. Nobody even will be accountable.
No difference.
Who will go to jail? We need to.
So why was Yogita Behana not able to solve so many cases that have happened?
Oh, really?
Why she could not preempt all of them?
Who? I am not the government.
Why did you not have a lightning vision from the sky?
I am not the government.
आपके पास आसमानी किताब नहीं आई थी बताने कि हाँ भैया यहाँ पे ये होना है.
You resign now. That's exactly about asking you.
You don't pay me taxes. You don't pay anybody taxes. The taxes are collected by the Union of India and distributed among the states.
So much money?
And the executive does it. It is not the legislature who comes.
Still we are doing social work, but you are doing nothing.
So this is the... we are therefore being told indirectly, Raman, and I understand it. Karan, let me get this visual 1 second. Let me get Karan on the other side. We are being told that, listen, this is the way things are going to be. See, I'm getting the message. There is no problem. But then the decision of the voter on how they have to decide is in their hands. You are saying...
Who says this is going to be the...
You are saying that this is the way things are going to be.
did a survey and identified 140 spots just 3 days back. And
No,
it was identified.
No, you are not doing anyone a favor.
Ramanji,
Let me show the visuals of the number of instances.
Can I make a small point?
No, and let me tell you, Karan, this is being reported because it is in the national capital
We have
region.
been debating on this.
Wonder how many of these incidents happen all over the country in Viksit Bharat?
Arnab, if the job
nine-
is-
No, I don't want to discuss India-EU trade deal.
People in your
I don't want to
organization
discuss
cannot
Trump.
do the job, you are supposed to chuck them out.
I don't want to discuss India, Israel, Netanyahu.
Country are such that you can't chuck them out.
I don't want to discuss that. I want to discuss what is happening in my country to our country's ordinary people.
Yes, it should
And their
be
children.
discussed. But come to the root cause. Don't.
What is the mood?
9,500 deaths in the last 5 years, Ramanji. Can you just imagine this number? 9,500 families have been destroyed.
So many other visuals.
This is the official number that has been put out.
Calls.
A gross insensitivity whose heads have rolled on every time. Why
Karan,
is this not an electoral
I
issue?
have utter
Why don't we see
sympathy
heads
for
turn
all
on this?
those life loss. But please tell me.
No, please
tell
don't
me,
dismiss it.
is
Don't be so
is the
dismissive,
job
sir, here
of
on
the
national television.
legislator to go
This
over
government
to
should
each
be
site
brought to
and sit
shame,
down
whichever
there?
government.
Or is it the
Across
job of
party
the
lines.
executive to take
Across
care of
party
it?
lines,
He's
I don't
been
care.
paid.
Executive,
The executive has
legislature.
been paid for
What the
30
hell have
years
they
to
done?
do this job.
You
30 साल
can't
के लिए
protect
एक
young
अफसर
kids,
आता
small
है,
boys
the
from
bureaucracy
ditches,
comes in for
and you are
30
talking
years,
about becoming
sit
a 4
down
trillion,
and
5 trillion
has all
economy.
the fun.
Shame
And
on
they're
these
not
people.
supposed to do their job.
You see,
Don't give them a pass, sir. Here.
Why shame on you?
9,500
The job
deaths.
of the legislator is to give the direction.
No. So who's saying
The
legislator
job of
or
the
the
legislator
executive?
is to give direction.
Whoever is in the government, don't give them cover fire, sir. For God's sake, don't give them cover fire here. You should hold them to book as
some people are saying, one minute, just 1 minute. There are other
Don't do that.
visuals
Job of the
too.
executive.
Some people are saying, Arnab, why are you showing ugly visuals?
First,
1 minute.
foremost,
1 minute.
explain
Many other
that
visuals are there, Aditi.
this
Many people are saying, why are you showing these visuals? Why are you showing the visual of these people dying? Some people are saying that why are you showing pictures of the child being pulled out, the body being pulled out? Why are you showing pictures of the young man who's lying dead in the middle of a ditch? Why are you showing pictures of the car that went in with a young 27-year-old inside it? Why are you reminding us of these bad things? To them, I would like to say, who is stopping you from going and seeing? You don't want to see this? Go see KBC. Watch Amitabh Bachchan throw money at people. Go and watch some Kyunki show. You don't want to watch this. You find this unpleasant. Then go and see some laughter comedy show. Laugh your way away. Make yourself feel good. That सब कुछ ठीक है. बाहर जाके देखिए लोगों को, सब कुछ ठीक है क्या? आज रात इस शाम रेयांश 8 साल का, वो एक हॉस्पिटल में, he is fighting for his life on a ventilator. Where is the bulldozer on the family that shot him to death in celebratory firing? कितने लोग, कितने politicians, बीजेपी के आने के बाद मुझे बताइए, रमन जी, आपकी हर्ष फायरिंग बंद हुई कि ज्यादा हो गई? बीजेपी के आने के बाद वीआईपी कल्चर कम हुआ कि ज्यादा हो गया? बीजेपी के आने के बाद लाल बत्ती कल्चर बढ़ गई कि कम हो गई? बीजेपी के आने के बाद बड़े बड़े इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट जरूर हुए, मगर हर दिन एक आम आदमी और आम आदमी का बच्चा मर जाता है. आप कहते हैं, आप इन चीजों पे फोकस क्यों करते हो? हमें 10% जीडीपी ग्रोथ करना है, हमें डावोस जाना है. No, I'm sorry, you got your priorities wrong. You know, there is anger and resentment building up in this country. You don't understand this. You're out of touch, you're out of sync, man. You're out of sync.
Even you are not.
You're out of sync, even I'm not. But I'll open the lines and I know what my viewer feels.
By the horns. Arnab, handle the bull by the horn. Ask the executive what they're doing. You're never questioning
the executive open the lines. Ravi is calling from New Delhi. Ravi, you're there?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, hi, Arnab, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm not very good.
Arnab, I just want to ask one thing from the people over here sitting now.
Yeah.
Okay, you are right now talking about this, the child who died in this main hole, and we are speaking on 2026. Are you going to speak the same thing after 10 years in 2036?
Multiple
after 10 years, because जो आज है वो कल भी यही होगा,
क्योंकि
सिस्टम, जुडिशरी,
अदिति,
जो भी हमारे यहाँ पे लोग बैठे हुए जो काम करना चाहते ही नहीं है, आप उनको लेके आओ। गवर्नमेंट चाहे बीजेपी की हो, चाहे किसी भी गवर्नमेंट कोई भी आएगी, राइट, बट काम उनका वही है, पैसे खाते हैं, काम करते नहीं है, और ये करप्शन जिंदगी भर चलता हुआ आया है और चलता हुआ रहेगा। आज अब 2026 की बात कर रहे हैं, शायद अर्नब जी आप 2036 में भी यही बात करेंगे।
बात यह है, देखिए, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम क्या है रवि जी, और मुझे ही नहीं सबको प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम कह रहे हैं 2047 तक हम विकसित भारत करेंगे। बहुत अच्छी बात है, 21 साल बाद क्यों, 20 साल पहले हो जाए, 15 साल पहले हो जाए, अच्छी बात है। मगर जब विकसित भारत होगी, ये सपना दिखाया जा रहा है हमें कि विकसित भारत, मुझे बताइए शांतनु जी, जब विकसित भारत होगी तो 3 साल के नाम के देवांश नाम का एक बच्चा क्या धनकर पुलिस स्टेशन के बाहर एक रेन वाटर वाले पिट में दल्लेगढ़ विलेज में फिर मर जाएगा? जब विकसित भारत होगा, जब आप रॉकेट करेंगे, जब आप चांद पे होंगे, है ना, तब क्या एक 25 साल का लड़का कमल एक पिट में गिर जाएगा जनकपुरी में, जनकपुरी बदल जाएगी? शांतनु जी मुझे बताइए, देखिए, दीज आर द रियलिटीज जो मैं कह रहा हूं आपको। नहीं, ये विकसित भारत, देखिए, मैं जानना चाहता हूं विकसित भारत हमारे लिए क्या लाएगा, हमारे लिए क्या लाएगा, आंकड़ों के लिए नहीं, नॉट फॉर स्टैटिस्टिक्स। यस प्लीज शांतनु।
See, all the visuals that you are showing are completely real, and they are super unfortunate. And I'm sure if you've seen any state, I think they are across political parties, across states, right? This is I think that the positive part that in India in the last 10 years massive construction is happening. Every street is dug up, some new bridges are coming, new metros are coming, new rails are coming.
So citizens should die a little bit to balance हो जाएगा। जितना कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा उतने लोग मरेंगे। दिस इज द प्राइस ऑफ विकसित भारत, दिस इज द प्राइस वी शुड पे। डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, लोग मर रहे हैं, मगर समझिए डेवलपमेंट हो रही है। क्या बात है? आई एम सेंसिटिव।
No, then allow me to speak. Allow me to make
other countries don't develop.
Allow me to make my argument, right?
Super
massive development is
happening.
Everything is dug up now.
Everything is nice. Let people
each of this case, the developer who is not following the safety norms should be booked.
It's a myth. It's a myth, first of all.
Emergency and
we are not a developing country.
And in such massive development, every corporator, every MLA, every MP has this right.
अच्छा, ये डेवलपमेंट है, ये डेवलपमेंट है, दिस इज डेवलपमेंट। टू हेल विद सच डेवलपमेंट।
Every MLA, see,
what is this development?
See, you can keep interrupting.
No, Karan, what is this development?
You have to speak for that, right? I have to speak for that. If you keep interjecting, if you have an agenda and you have to speak out.
What agenda? I have an agenda for the people, Shantanu. I have an agenda. I have an agenda for the people. Do you know this has become an epidemic today?
If you allow me, I'll speak. Otherwise, let me explain.
My problem is, मैंने ये stories front page पे ले आया हूँ मैं।
You know, in the last 5 years, Shantanu ji, just hear me out. 1 second.
All for it.
In the last 5 years, there has been a 47% increase in deaths due to manholes. They give a damn to regulations, and the executive is responsible for it. Do you really think these developers, Shantanu ji, give a damn about regulations? They have their cuts that go to the police, to the municipal corporations. What the hell are the ministers and the political dispensation doing?
In each of these cases,
we need to ask this question rather than cover it under development.
Should be behind the bars.
नहीं, हमारे देश में हमें लगता है, हमारे देश में हमें लगता है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट करा देंगे, सब लोग भूल जाएंगे।
Should be behind the guards within a week in all such cases.
Nobody is going to take that action. Who's taking that action? Which political dispensation is taking that action? Which minister is taking that action? They all have their cuts, Arnab. Every single developer who develops, the local authority, the police.
अरे, this is the story everywhere in India. Anmol is on the debate. ये story सिर्फ दिल्ली की, गाजियाबाद की, नोएडा की नहीं है। ये पूरे भारत की स्टोरी है।
हम इस स्टोरी पे
पूरे भारत की यही स्टोरी है। दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ आवर कंट्री। और ये क्या होता है कि इन स्टोरीज को दबाया जाता है। करण, इनको कहीं अंदर में दिखाया जाता है।
मैं तो साफ कह रहा हूं।
क्योंकि आज हमारी जो कॉर्पोरेट मीडिया हुए है, जो बिकी हुई कॉर्पोरेट मीडिया है, उनकी बड़ी स्टोरी क्या है पता हो? उनकी स्टोरी है कि आज 4 साल हो गए यूक्रेन रशिया युद्ध के, आज हजारों करोड़ स्पेंड करके कोई सुखोई खरीदेगा कि क्या खरीदेगा? मैं पूछना चाहता हूं इन लोगों को, ये आर्म्स एजेंट है कि जर्नलिस्ट है? दिस इज द रियलिटी, द मीडिया हैज फेल्ड यू। यस, अनमोल।
Arnabji, I appreciate that you raised such an important issue, and you said that
No, these things are considered unimportant in our country. These things are not important.
You said that हम 2047 में विकसित भारत की बात कर रहे हैं, but looking at these visuals, these are very heart-wrenching. I mean, a 48-year-old techie dies in Ghaziabad, a techie dies in Noida mall site, a 3-year-old child in Greater Noida, Kamal Dhyani in a 20-foot pit in Delhi. So different cities, same stories, there's no accountability. And this is not just an administrative failure. This is not just an administrative failure.
Questions, sir.
This is criminal negligence.
The maximum deaths
murder.
due to lack of desilting of drains happened during AAP. You remember that? Did you raise those questions then? My humble request.
Did I interrupt you? Please,
No, I'm asking you a question.
No, Karanji, as a responsible citizen, as an Indian, please ask Bharatiya Janata Party, the Greater Noida Authority, the Noida Authority, the Municipal Council of Delhi, all are under Bharatiya Janata Party. They claim to have a 5% government.
But when you were in power, wasn't it as bad?
Windows fast.
In Uttar Pradesh,
50 गाड़ियों का कॉन्वॉय क्यों ले रहे हैं? अरविंद केजरीवाल 50 गवर्नमेंट गाड़ियों का क्यों कॉन्वॉय लेते हैं? मनोज सिसोदिया 35 गाड़ी।
Bharatiya Janata Party. It's not about
Nothing. You will not
Bharatiya Janata
by
Party.
making it political.
It is about the common citizen of this country.
Of course it is. Not gain any justice by making it political.
Did you hold the AAP to account at that time?
Arey, where is Arvind Kejriwal? Has he retired? Has he retired?
Think about the common man of this country.
Has Arvind Kejriwal retired?
Very important issue today.
In Punjab,
A very important issue today, and accountability must be
50
fixed.
cars are Arnab, 50 cars.
You want me to open up the crimes of the Delhi Jal Board in the AAP's time?
Car convoy.
Opening up to calls tonight. I have Sadanand from Goa. Open up to more calls. More and more calls. Sadanand from Goa. Sadanand.
Hello,
I want to hear the people.
Sadanand. Yeah, I'm Sadanand calling from Goa. I'm shocked to know when I saw the news, watching the news on Republic, I was shocked to see that Renash was killed for no reason. If the concerned MLA, who is of that area, doesn't take proper action and strict action, then I think he has to resign. And our judiciary has to be changed, as it is in some other countries. Our judiciary for taking action has to be changed.
Correct. By the way, Rehansh is fighting for his life. We pray for Rehansh tonight. He's fighting for his life. But where is the MP? Shantanu, the MP is so shameless. He's tweeting about Rahul Gandhi's Banyan Circus. He has not tweeted about what's happened to Rehansh from his own constituency. What's happened to the BJP?
I said the same when you interrupted me.
Shantanu!
I said the same when you interrupted me, when you never wanted to hear me, that every corporator, every MLA, every MP should be on the street daily at least 2 hours.
How much time?
Every corporator, every MLA, every MP should be on the streets of his constituency for 2 hours and
Yogita!
Keep checking.
I want you
Such
to
massive
run one
development
campaign.
Yogita
machinery alone cannot do it.
One campaign you need to run. Hashtag who will go to jail? Which Neta will go to jail? We have to send someone to jail on accountability of killing these people. We only can't be relying on the administration. They are the ones, we choose them to, lead them. So if they are failing, someone has to go to jail, whether it is a councillor or MLA or MP. Right. Someone has to go. Hashtag who will go to run this campaign?
Then you
it
should
is so
go to
unfortunate.
Jail.
Okay, you send me to jail. It's okay. I'm okay to go to jail, Mr. Raman. I'm not afraid of it.
Bharat from Hyderabad. Bharat.
Asking question. Asking question.
Yeah, good evening, Arnab.
Good evening, Bharat. One more call, two more calls.
There is one issue at my locality. polluted water. I went to a corporator. From last 1.5 years, I am going to a corporator and I am asking about why polluted water is coming. The corporator is irresponsible. He asked me to come for dharna. Why should I come for dharna? When I voted, why should I go for dharna? Irresponsible corporator and irresponsible waterworks manager.
Well, you send us the details. Yeah. We will follow up on your behalf. Send us the details. We're going to call you back on this. Ladies and gentlemen, last call to Nishchal from New Delhi. Nishchal.
Thank you, Arnav. I am living where this incident has happened at the Janakpuri. Professor Jogendra
Janakpuri. Show the visuals of Janakpuri. Yes. These visuals, stay with them.
This was bound to happen, I tell you. Because this work is going on since many months. Not only this, there is another pit like this on the same road on the right side of the Posangipur road.
I tell you, Nishchal, they don't care. They don't care. They don't care. They only care as long as the media is focused on them. We are going to expose them, Nishchal. We are going to expose them. We are going to make them difficult for them to look away. Remember one thing, Nishchal, politicians are scared of being embarrassed. Jyoti Bhatia from Mumbai, last caller on this section. Jyoti.
Hi, Arnav. I won't talk much. This is a humble request and a straight question to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. He's going to very soon keep Pariksha Pe Charcha for the children and their well-being for Viksit Bharat. My humble request to you, sir, Mr. PM Modi, to keep a charcha for these things happening for the children in our country and to make accountable mishaps for the MLAs and other people responsible for this. Thank you, Arnav.
Thank you so much, Jyoti Bhatia, for joining us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Our job is not to tell you the good or bad story. Our job is to tell you the reality absolutely raw. At 9 p.m. tonight, on a day when another plane had a huge engine failure, on a day when a helicopter crashed, ladies and gentlemen, I shall tell you some dirty secrets of the conflict of interest in India's aviation sector that the Civil Aviation Minister should try to pay some attention to when we are back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnav will be right back with the debate.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।